Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning. Welcome to another week here at our Drone News Weekly Roundup. We have 3 stories for you today, so let's jump right in. After reviewing over 800 breathtaking entries, the UK Civil Aviation Authority has announced 4 winners for its drone photography contest called Shot on My Drone. The contest was designed not only to highlight the beautiful images that drones can capture, but also to educate people on how to use drones safely. There were 4 categories that people were able to submit images to: urban day, urban night, countryside, and Christmas. The overall winner was Andy Wells in the urban night category, who captured the liveliness of a roundabout illuminated in darkness by the surrounding cars and buildings. Beautiful shot, Andy. Each of the 4 winning photos will be displayed at the London headquarters of the Royal Aeronautical Society. Next up, a great search and rescue story out of Dallas, Texas. The Mesquite Police Department received a distress call from a drowning couple after sudden flooding in the area. They arrived on scene but could not find the couple. Good thing neighboring Garland, the Garland Police Department had a drone. They worked together with the Mesquite Police Department to find the couple holding onto a tree. They were able to safely extricate them. That same drone was used to help find 3 additional people. This is one of many examples of how drones are being used to literally save lives, and this operation in particular shows how important it is for different public safety departments within a city like a Dallas or in nearby cities to coordinate with each other, to share resources, to mutually support emergency operations. We're so happy to hear that everyone's safe and that drones got to play such a cool role in this rescue story. Okay, finally, Skydio is running a contest called the Skydio KeyFrame Challenge to promote their new KeyFrame mode. KeyFrame mode lets you select the key shots you want to capture along a given path, the speed at which you want to fly that path, and then you push a button and the drone autonomously flies to capture that footage. In this contest, there are prizes for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. They all include a Skydio 2 Plus starter kit and cash prizes up to $6,000. You have a couple of weeks to submit footage. The contest ends on April 25th. We will link to the contest details below. If you're interested in learning more about the Skydio 2, we published a great 5-part series on YouTube with Greg Snell. 5 different videos that go through features and Greg's honest feedback as a longtime filmmaker and drone pilot. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. Remember to check out the links below to read more. As always, thanks so much for watching. And to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.